Sendtohope again, and I'm here with another quick reaction video. Now the video here, it's very short, it's just 11 seconds, but the impact on the video here, I don't know how to explain it. When you look at this video, I want you to comment in the box. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna replay the video to stretch it out so you can actually, you know, see what you see, because you're not gonna believe what you see on the video. Take a look at the video. Me can't do no intro for that one. Just take a look at the video and see what going on in the world. Me don't know what. God have mercy. You see, even the president don't know what to say. Una wonder what just say a while ago, don't it? Me can't believe it. Say a two little picnic, little toddler in a one deep piece of making out, and it obviously this is a schoolyard. I mean, when me say toddler, I mean picnic. We're not supposed to even know how to spell Disney. They're not supposed to even know how to spell Nickelodeon. But them round there and hey, the way how the little boy a kiss and a bend him head and a go on, a film woman that you know, nobody can tell him nothing. You know. A film, no, look again, come, I can't believe. Don't look again.